Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Autoland North, we have the 2021 Mercedes C43 AMG. I've long said that this is a phenomenal car, and this is my first time trying one for the 2021 model year. Ooh, starting to rain. Look at that digital cluster, which is sweet. Performance steering wheel, finished at Napa. Red seat belts are always cool. Oh, man, we're gonna be in Sport Plus. Let's take this thing for a drive. Like I was saying, I've always said that these cars are absolutely phenomenal. So let's see here. If I go to menu, nope, that's the climate menu. Home, there we go. Go to vehicle, dynamic select. Is it in there? Yep, it is. There we go. Let's take this for a drive. I mean, you also are going to have your boost gauge and everything here, but I believe you can cycle through that. Oh no, that's that. Ah, okay. Alright, so that's how that works there. Good. So this competes hand in hand with the S4 and the M340i. Take a look at this cluster once it reaches red line. These cars are so much fun. And the thing with all German cars is they're going to be Autobahn warriors. So cruising on the highway, it's going to be extremely comfortable, especially with a 9-speed auto. I do like the way the manual mode is displayed. Ooh. I do like the way the manual mode is displayed, so you know if you can go up a gear and down a gear. If you can't go down, it's going to be grayed out. So it's pretty cool. I do like that. That way I know right off the bat, okay, will the car give me a downshift? is it smart to go for a downshift? Kind of tells me I really don't need to rev this thing out. A lot of the torque is down low. I mean, it's a twin turbo V6, so it's gonna be a torquey motor. I love these cars. They are so good. I think everybody has kind of talked about this car and said, oh, it's not a real AMG, I'm not really interested. I think we're sleeping on a really, really good car, especially now that this is a 4-cylinder only. You know, I need to try the 4-cylinder before I knock it, but I just don't think it's going to have the character that this V6 does. So it's one of those things where I think we're gonna miss a great car here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.